Just like that, we found our way in the park. They got foosball tables in here, guys. Some bumper cars. And this awesome lady took us in. So let's head on in and ride the Huracan. Stuck in the block zone. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Well, that was super fun. Literally just an awesome zero coaster. I mean, I like the little helix it had at the end. I thought that was super fun. And you got 2 laps. That was super cool. Can't go wrong with an awesome coaster in a crazy random mall in the middle of Mexico. Love you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Laters.